Hey everyone. Today, I'll show you how to fix Raycast if the search feature isn't working. This can happen sometimes, but don't worry, it's usually easy to solve. First, try restarting Raycast. Quit the app completely, then reopen it. A simple restart can often fix search issues. Next, make sure you're using the correct keyboard shortcut for search. By default, it's Command plus space. Check your system settings to ensure it hasn't been changed or blocked. Make sure your Raycast app is up to date. Open Raycast, click the top menu, select Raycast, then check for updates. Install any updates available. If search still isn't working, clearing the cache can help. Open Finder, go to Library, then Raycast, and delete the cache folder. Don't worry, Raycast will rebuild it automatically when you reopen the app. As a last resort, reinstall Raycast, download the latest version from the official website, uninstall the current app, then install it again. This usually fixes persistent search problems, and that's it. That's how you fix Raycast when the search feature isn't working. Hopefully this gets your workflow back on track. Thanks for watching, and stay productive.